All right, today we're going to use the box method, also known as the area model, to solve a multi-digit whole number being multiplied by another multi-digit whole number. And then we're going to use the same numbers and use the standard algorithm. So first, let's go ahead and try solving this. First, what you'll need, of course, is a box or a rectangle. Okay, hence the reason why it's called a box method or the area model. So what we're going to look at with area, there's a length and a width. So with this, we're going to decompose 326 by its values. So we're going to get 300 plus 20 plus 6. And because there's three values, we're going to section that off, just like that. Next, we're going to decompose 12 to 10 plus 2. And because there's two values there, we're going to section that off. So now if you notice, we have 6 boxes within this rectangle. Those 6, of course, represent there will be 6 products based upon what we're going to multiply here. So we're going to first multiply 300 times 10, which of course is 3,000. Another great way of remembering that is they're multiples of 10, which means they end with a 0. So therefore, if it ends with a 0, I can easily count those zeros, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, put them into my answer. 3 times 1 is 3. Great, easy way of remembering that. Next, 20 times 10 is 200. 6 times 10 is 60. 300 times 2, I'm going to move on to that, is 600. 20 times 2 is 40. 6 times 2 is 12. So here I have 6 of my products, of which now I need to add to then get one final product. So I'm going to total this out. 3,000 plus 200 plus 60 is 3,260. 600 plus 40 plus 12, well, 40 plus 12 is 52. 52 plus 600 is 652. So I'm going to add those two together to get one final product. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 5 is 11. I'm going to carry the one that's in the tens place, or rather regroup it to the next value. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus, of course, nothing there, which is 3. My answer then is 3,912 for that problem. Next, let me show you the standard algorithm way. Same numbers, but we're going to use standard algorithm. So we're going to line it up like this. 326 times 12. Now with this, a way to interpret this problem is 326 times 2, and then 326 times 10. Now I say times 10 because the 1 is in the tens value, the tens place value, so therefore it's two different problems being put together. So first I'm going to do 326 times 2. 6 times 2, of course, is 12. I'm going to regroup, carry that 2 over. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, which I regrouped. That's 5. 2 times 3 is 6. So 326 2 times is 652. Now because I solved for my 1's value, I can put a 0 here. I don't need to solve for the 1's value anymore. So now I'm going to move over to the 10's value. Well, that makes sense because it's 326 times 10. So 1 times 6, sorry. 1 times 6, of course, is 6. I can cross that out because I don't need that one anymore. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. So now I have a value there, so I'm going to go ahead and add those two values to get one final value. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. Again, I'm going to regroup, carry the 1 over there. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 3, of course, there's nothing in the thousands place of that value, so that's a 3. I get 3,912. And if you notice, with standard algorithm, I get the same results as I did with the box method. Thanks for watching.